welcome to my channel. Today I going to teach you the lost monkey's story. I will teach you now. The baby monkey was lost. He can't find his family. The deer tries to help. I can't see them. The elephant tries to help. I can't see them. The tiger tries to help. I can't see them. The giraffe tries to help. Yes, I can see them. The family is up high in the tree. Baby monkey jumped 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and he found his family. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Click the red button below. Subscribe. Bye bye.